there, my dear friends, it's great to see you. My name is Rob, and it's my great pleasure to welcome you to FLtv, that's Full Life Television. Today I would like to do a fun workshop with you called Stretch to Feel Good. This is a class designed for those of us who are staying at home to save lives, and consequently, perhaps not getting the exercise that we usually get. It is a really great idea to do a little bit of stretching every day. Today we're going to go over a few of the very basic stretches you can do whilst you're binge watching Netflix, watching the Harry Potter movies again for the billionth time, lying in bed trying to fall asleep, lazing around reading your favorite fantasy books. You can do these stretches pretty much any time. We do stretching and yoga at Full Life every day, and here is a question I get quite a lot. Why is it so important to stretch? That's a great question. Thank you so much for asking. Stretching is important because it keeps your muscles flexible, strong, and healthy. Keeping your muscles flexible, strong, and healthy is important because you use your muscles to move. And having that flexibility and strength improves the range of motions you can do. If you don't stretch regularly or keep your muscles active, then they can shorten and get weak. Then it makes it more difficult to move around. It can hurt, it can ache, and you can injure a muscle. So to avoid that, I highly recommend you do a little bit of stretching every day. We're gonna start with the basics today. These are gonna be some really easy and light stretches. That's why this class is called Stretch to Feel Good. It's not stretch because you've got a big game coming up. This is just stretching on your couch, making your body feel nice. So remember, if at any time during this video you feel uncomfortable, or you're straining, or you feel like you're pushing your muscles to do something that they don't wanna do, slow down. Take a deep breath and remember to take it easy. Today, we are only exploring what feels nice right now with mellow and relaxing movements. So get comfortable. You can sit down, stand up, lie down, whatever you want, and let's do a little stretching to feel good. So the first thing we're gonna stretch today is the face. I know that sounds kind of weird, and it's not exactly how most professional yoga classes start out or anything like that, but it's fun, and it feels nice. Basically what we're gonna do is pull some really goofy faces. We're gonna stretch the muscles in our face by tightening them and then stretching them out. I'm gonna start by scrunching my face up. Here we go. And then I'm gonna stretch my face out in the opposite direction. Scrunch, stretch, scrunch, stretch. Let's do that 3 times. Here we go. Now it'll be nice to get a little loosey-goosey. Great job, everyone. Those were some good, goofy faces. Next up, we're gonna stretch our neck. Remember to take it very slowly and only do what feels good. The way I like to stretch my neck is by basically taking my ear and moving it down towards my shoulder, nice and slowly. Here we go. Ooh, that's nice. And back up to center. Then I'm gonna do the same on the other side, this ear down to this shoulder. Oh yeah. Next I'm gonna roll my head forward so my chin moves down toward my chest. Lovely. And then finally I'm gonna move my head backwards so the back of my head moves toward my back. Now I'm going to rotate my head in circles, really nice and slowly, just to work out the kinks. Next up is the hands. It's really nice to stretch out all your fingers. You can follow your intuition and just do what feels good. I like to stretch my fingers back, stretch them forward, and then give yourself a little hand massage. Remember to massage the knuckles and the joints, each finger, and your wrists. Giving yourself a little hand massage is also a great thing to do to relieve some stress, and it makes you feel good. All right, I'm gonna activate our shoulders a little bit by just doing some rotation. So you just rotate your shoulders like this. Oh, that's lovely. And then maybe the other way. Oh, forwards now. The last stretch we're going to do today is a wave to wake up our arms. Take your right hand and give me a little wave here. Hey. nice to see you. And do the same with your left hand. Give me a little wave. Hey there. Alright, now we're going to do that with both hands. Hey. We're waving as if we're saying hello to someone we haven't seen for a couple of days. Then we're going to take it to the next level and wave as if we're seeing our friends that we haven't seen in a whole month. Hey, good to see you! And then finally we're going to take it to a level where we're waving at our friends who we haven't seen for over a month because there's a global pandemic and we're all staying at home to save lives. Woo. Now slow down and feel all that friendship, love, and positivity in your body right now. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. Remember that you can do those stretches or your own variations of them anytime. Hopefully it'll help you feel good, relaxed, strong, and healthy. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. See you soon.